Hi everyone, my name is Victor Salcido. I am presenting my video for our CISC 198 Java class with Professor Frankie. I'll be presenting the code that explains the programming concepts of turtles. The purpose of this code is to make the turtle draw a shape, and in our case here we're going to have a turtle draw a square. I used the instructions from our assignment using methods and parameters using turtles. Let's begin. So I have Dr. Java up and running. What I like to do first is name the file. So in this case, I'll name it turtles1. I have a thing about leaving files as untitled, so I always like to title them right when I begin. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're going to make this a little bigger. I'm going to go into the Interactions tab here and start inputting some code. First thing we're going to do is set up a world, and do that here. W equals new world. And let's see, let's press enter, and out of screen a little bit, but there we go. There's our new world. Next, we will now add our turtle to the world. Turtle T is assigned to new turtle. And let's press enter, and voila, there's our turtle. Alright, so in order to make the square, what we're going to do is we're going to have the turtle basically walk the direction of a square. So we're going to have turtle go forward by 50. Press enter. As you can see, as he moves forward, he leaves a line, he draws a line. So continuing on, we're going to have turtle turn to the right. Turn right. And in this case, we don't need to issue a specific number. Telling it to turn to the right will automatically turn to the right by 90 degrees. Press enter, and he is now turned to the right. So we will have him move forward again by 50. There we go. And next up, we'll have him turn another 90 degrees to the right. Turn right. And enter. Now he's turned to the right. Next, we'll have him move forward again by 50. Press enter. And as you can see, we're nearly done with our square. So we need to have him turn to the right one more time. And when we say turn to the right, we mean his right. You see the turtle's head is here. So if he turns to the right, he'll be facing this way. So let's get that going. Turn right. Enter. Now he's facing the right direction. Have him go forward by 50 one more time, and press enter, and there you have it. We've now completed our square. Now this simple square shows that we can draw any shapes or designs that we can imagine, which makes this tool super powerful, and I now understand why it's used so much. Thank you for watching my video, and have a good night.